Today, we will discuss Open Project and ClickUp. They have the same basic objective of assisting teams in effectively managing projects, even though they differ in deployment, technique support, and complexity. A project management and organization platform, tools for monitoring development and making sure projects are completed on time, a method for groups to work together on project assignments. Now, let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Open Project is a powerful open source project management tool that supports Agile while placing a significant emphasis on traditional project management. Complex projects requiring meticulous planning and tracking are a good fit for it. When it comes to Gantt charts, it excels extensive feature set including expense reporting, time tracking, and Gantt charts. ClickUp is a cloud-based productivity tool that is very flexible by integrating time tracking, task management, project management, and more. It seeks to be an all-in-one workspace. It is made to be incredibly versatile and fit into a wide range of workflows, ideal for groups of any size who require a collaborative and adaptable platform to handle a range of assignments and projects. All in all, with the help of these platforms, powerful task management capabilities, users can create, allocate, prioritize, and monitor tasks. Both allow users to visualize project status, track deadlines, and keep an eye on project progress. Tools like file sharing, commenting, and notifications both make teamwork easier.